How to fix achievements not showing on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide how to fix achievements not showing on Instagram. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. So firstly, make sure that you have to update your Instagram application to the latest version in order to fix this issue. For that, launch Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner. Select the search bar at top and type in Instagram. Search for it, and if you see update button next to Instagram, tap on it to update app to the latest version. Once done, you have to check whether your issue has been gone or not. If not yet, launch Instagram app and then sign into your account. Remember to have your achievements shown on Instagram, you have to turn or switch your personal account to business or professional account. To do so, tap profile icon at bottom right corner. As you can see, here is the professional dashboard. You can simply mean that I already have a professional account. If you don't have, tap three-line icon at top right corner, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and you will get creator tools and control. So let's search. If you have personal account, you will get that option and you can switch to professional account. Here I got the business tools and controls. Tap on it and you can easily add the professional account from here by following the steps, and you will get the professional dashboard on your profile. You can tap on the professional dashboard, and here you have got the achievements shown on Instagram. Simply tap on it and here are different kinds of achievements you can earn. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to fix your issue. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.